Today I'm changing the alternator on this Ford Focus. As you can see, the drive belt is already off. There is a tensioner. It is down there where you can see the drive belt. It has a 17mm bolt, so use a 17mm offset spanner. You need to take off this plastic. It is held by two 8mm bolts, and also have one side of the car lifted up in the air. I'm going to show it from underneath. So here goes that plastic piece, and that's the tensioner where you see the belt is off already. So you put the 17mm spanner on it and turn it that way, and then you loosen the tensioner and you can take off the belt. So you can take off the alternator. The alternator is held by two bolts. One is here, one is down there, and two nuts. One is here, and also one connector. So I'm gonna undo that, remove it, and replace with a new one. The big bolts and nuts are size 15, so this is already loose. As you can see, I loosened it. This one as well. This is a size 10, it is loosened as well. And this is size 15, it is loosened as well. So I'm gonna remove this one, then the bolts, disconnect the plug or the connector, and I can just slide off the alternator. I removed the nut from the wire, so I can pull off the wire now, and I will have better access to the connector. So I can take off this one, just press on this tab and then just pull it. Now I'm going to remove the remaining bolts, nuts, and just take off the alternator. The bottom big bolt is out, so I'm going to remove the top two. So now I should be able just to pull it out. Here it is. It didn't take too long, around 5 minutes. The guy decided to go with the used one, so I'm gonna put that one back in, put back everything together, retension the drive belt, and the car can go. It is done. So this one slides right onto it. Now I'm gonna put this bolt back in. So I'm gonna tighten the bolts now, and then put back the wire and then the plug, and that's it. Now we can put back the drive belt. Now that the belt is on again, I'm just gonna put back this little plastic cover, secure it with the two 10mm bolts. I can lower the car then, and it will be ready to go. I couldn't film how I did put the belt back on because I needed my both hands, but basically there is a tensioner down there. I'll try to focus it. Yes, that one is the tensioner. So just place the 17mm spanner on it and turn it towards the front of the car. That way you loosen it, take off the belt, or put the belt back on, depending which procedure you are doing, and then you are good to go.